How to create a GIF on Canva. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily convert your MP4 video to a GIF file from Canva. Open up your web browser and then go to canva.com. Make sure that you are already logged into your account, which I'm already logged in. Then you're going to have to create a new project. So click on create at the top left. Now select what you want to create. Let's say if I want to create a video. If it's for landscape video for YouTube or mobile video or Instagram story, I'm going to create a landscape video for now. You could also do the portrait one if you want, but I'm just going to create with this. Then you're going to have to go to the Uploads tab to upload your video. So if you go to the videos section, you'll find your videos that you've previously uploaded. So let's say if I just click on this upload file option, go to my pictures tab, then I'm just going to go ahead and upload this video right here. For this, I should have picked the portrait one, so let me just quickly do that. I'm going to go back and then choose this mobile video. Now the upload will be going on in the background, so it will be shown right here as well. I'm going to go to upload, then videos, and here's the video that I've uploaded. Just go ahead and drag it down here. Then you can resize it so that it fits. And the first thing you're going to have to do is mute the audio. So let's just go to volume, and then you can just completely mute out the audio like this. Alright, once that is done, you can split your video into different parts. So click on the part that you want to create as a GIF. Obviously, you won't create a GIF of 17 seconds. So right click on the part and then click on split page. Choose another part, click on split page again. So I'm just going to go ahead and split it here. Click here, around here, and then split it. So let's say if I just want this middle part as my GIF, all I have to do is just cut out right here and then delete all of the other parts. So I'm going to delete this, as well as this. So I've got a 3.8-second video. Now I can just go ahead and click on the share option, click on download, and then from the MP4 video format, you're going to have to select GIF. It will automatically mute out your sound as well. Click on download, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.